Listen to me, yo, Louisiana. I hear Louisiana.
In this case, evil will prevail.
Put your hand in the air and take out everything that comes out with your hand and put it in that.
Hey, welcome.
Good day, people. I am here to address a matter that has come to my attention. People have been saying that I am wishing in action. Well, that's a lie. I'm not wishing in action. In fact, I have been fighting to build Jamaica. Because there can only be one leader, and that's me.